Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can apply an electronic travel authorization that is called ETA to travel to Canada if you are from one of the eligible passport countries national. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, for many non-passport required countries, you can apply an ETA instead of a visa. Okay. So I'm not going to go to the eligibility. Instead, I'm going to go through the process. So in front of you, I have opened this ETA official page on the IRCC website. Here, we're going to click on apply for ETA and ETA. So one person at a time. So a lot of people have questioned, what if we are in a group? So you need to submit a form for like every passenger that you have. Okay. So I'm applying for an ETA with a passport issued by, I select another country, visit or to as a tourist. So some instruction, what you have to enter, continue to ETA form. Are you applying on behalf of someone else? So if you're applying for yourself, you'll click no. Okay, next. Application for ETA. Okay, complete what travel document are you plan to use to travel to Canada? I'm selecting ordinary passport. Select the code that matches one of your passports. So what I'm doing, let me select Australia. Okay. What is the nationality noted on passport? Let me again select Australia. Passport number re-enter, surname, given name. So I'm just putting some sample. Okay. It's not real. Can I copy and paste? This absolutely sample value. It's not real. Okay. Why cannot copy and paste? Ha. Surname. Date of birth. Let's say anything. Just sample. Gender. Country, territory of birth. Let's say the guy was born in Australia. City, town of birth. This you can always check in your passport. Date of issue. Oh no, that's too back. Additional nationality. Do you hold any additional passport? You can add that here. Marital status. So I select never married. If I select married, no, it's not asking for spouse details. Okay, because probably you have to like put an ETA for all the travelers. So that's why. Have you ever applied or obtained a visa ETA permit to live, work, or study in Canada? I select no, but if you have done, definitely select that. So what if I select yes? It will ask for UCI. I anticipated. Occupation, something that best matches your occupation. Okay. Culture, degree, home management, manufacturing, natural applied sales, service, occupation. Okay. Job title, occupations and cashier, food, travel, accommodation, sales support, retail support, technical, tourism. Oh, okay. Name of employer, provide proper information. Don't go like this. Country where you work for, like about your employer, city, town. Since what year? Oh, they just asked the year. Preferred language to contact you, English. Your proper email address. I'm not putting, but you just put and you have to enter here. You cannot copy and paste. Now address. You need your address. Travel. Do you know when you will travel to Canada? Okay. When do you plan to travel to Canada? Let's say March 8. When you will depart. Please enter a time your flight to Canada will depart. Okay. If you don't know, select the approximate. Okay. Have you ever been refused visa, permit, denied entry, or order to leave Canada or any other country? Have you ever committed, been arrested, charged, convicted criminal offense? In past 2 years, have you diagnosed with tuberculosis or been close contact with? I select no. Do you have one of these conditions? I select no. If any of this yes, you need to please briefly indicate if there are additional details pertinent to your application. For example, urgent need to travel to Canada. Okay, so based on case by case, try to provide the details if you think need to agree. Signature like sign, just write your full name. For example, in this case, John Smith. And then you'll go for proceed to payment. Of course, I'm not gonna do because I don't want to pay $7. And then they will ask you to upload the documents too, like passport. So in this way, it can be done. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.